Hello students, from today I am going to share maths videos for 12th standard. We are going to start with the easiest chapter, matrices. We have started with the easiest chapter, matrices. In today's lecture we are going to see the application of elementary row transformations. Now in this case the given matrix is given matrix A is equal to 2, 4, 1, 7. Now they have told us to apply R1. The meaning of this symbol is we are going to interchange both the rows R1 and R2. So we will get A is equal to interchanging. So our second row will be our first row 1, 7, and first row will become our second row 2, 4. So in this case what we have done, we have just interchanged both the rows. Now let's see the second sum. In second sum the matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now in this sum we are going to apply column transformation. So first we will begin with given matrix B is equal to 1, 2, 3, second row 4, 7, 1, third row 3, 2, 1. Now in this case we have to apply C2 minus 2C1. Now students should keep one thing in mind, whichever term comes first, the changes will be in that column or in that row. Now in this case the first term is C2, so we will make changes in column 2. Therefore B is equal to, so I am keeping first column as it is, third column as it is. Now what is the change? They have told us to make C2 minus 2C1. So first I am writing C2 2, 7, 2 minus 2C1 2. Now what is the element in first column? 1. Second column 4. Third element 3. Now we will simplify it. So that is equal to 1, 4, 3, 3, 1, 1. 2 minus 2 ones are 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 2 fours are 8. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 2 minus 2 threes are 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Let's see the next sum. In this sum the given matrix is given A is equal to 1, minus 2, minus 7, minus 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1. Apply the transformation R2 plus 2R1. R2 plus 2R1. As we have discussed in the previous sum, whichever row or column appears first, we will make change in that row or column. Now in this case the first term is R2, so we will make a change in our second row A. Therefore A is equal to, now what I am doing, I am first writing first row and third row as it is. Now we will make change in second row. What is the step? R2 plus 2R1. So R2, what is the element in R2? Minus 2 plus 2R1, 2. First element from R1 is 1. 1 plus 2 into minus 2. 5 plus 2 into minus 7. So what we have done? R2 minus 2, 1 and 5. 2R1, 2 element from R1, 1. Second element from R1, minus 2. Third element from R1, minus 7. That is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 7. Minus 2 plus 2 ones are 2. 1 plus minus 2 twos are 4. 5 plus minus 2 sevens are 14. 3, 2, 1. Let's write down the final answer. 1 minus 2 minus 7. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 1 minus 4 minus 3. 5 minus 14 minus 9. 3, 2, 1. This is our final. Now let's see the next question. convert 2, 3, 1, 6 into identity matrix by suitable row transformation. So let's first name the given matrix. Given, suppose matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 6. Now in this question they have asked us to convert the given matrix into identity matrix. Let's revise what is identity matrix. Now identity matrix is denoted by capital I. Now since the order of this matrix is 2 by 2, that is there are 2 rows and 2 columns, we will consider a identity matrix of order 2 by 2. 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we will keep this matrix in this mind and will make the necessary changes in matrix A. Now here we are having 2. Instead of 2, here we have to convert it into 1. Now if you observe carefully, we are having 1 in second row. So we can make the step by R1 interchanging R2. So what we will get? Therefore A is equal to 1, 6, 2, 3. So here what we have done? We have interchanged R1 and R2. Why we have interchanged R1 and R2? Because here the element we required was 1. Now let's move to the second step. Now after making this element 1, we will try to make this element 0. Now if you observe, this 2 is situated in which row? Second row. So we are going to make changes in which row? Second row. Minus. Which is the element in second row? 2. So here we will take 2 R1. Now students should remember this step in mind, that whenever you are converting any element in 0, first see the position of that element. In this case this element was located in second row, so we will try to make this element 0 by making the help of 1 from R1. So therefore we will get A is equal to 1, 6, 2 minus 2 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 6, that is equal to 1, 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 6 are 12, 3 minus 12 is minus 9. Now third step, we will try to make this minus 9 into 1. So how to convert 9 into 1? We will divide by 9. So our next step will be minus R2 upon 9. Therefore we will get A is equal to 1, 6, 0 upon 9, 0, minus 9 upon minus 9 is 1. Now last step, we will try to convert this 6 into 0. Now this 6 is located in first row. Now while making this 6 into 0, we will take the help of this 1. This 1 is situated in which row? Second row. So our step will be R1 minus 6 R2. Therefore A is equal to 0, 1, 1 minus 6 into 0, 6 minus 6 into 1, that is equal to 1 minus 0, 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, 0, 1. Let's revise the sum again. In this case the given matrix was A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 6. We had to convert the given matrix into identity matrix. The order of the given matrix is 2 by 2. That is, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Now let's see a identity matrix of order 2 by 2. It is 1, 0, 0, 1. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to convert this 2 into 1. Now if you observe the given matrix, we are having 1 in the second row. So the first step we did was R1 interchanging R2. So what we got? 1, 6, 2, 3. So our first step finished. In second step, we will try to make the number below 1 into 0. In this case, the number is 2. It is located in which row? Second row. So our step will be R2 minus 2. Here the element is 2. So I got the number here 2. And we are going to take the help of this 1. So 2 R1. So I got 1, 6, 0 minus 9. Step number 3. we will try to make this minus 9 into 1. So we are going to divide by minus 9. So we did the step minus R2 upon 9. Therefore A is equal to 1 0 6 1. Last step, we have to convert this 6 into 0. We are going to take the help of this 1. So we got the step R1 minus 6 R2 and we got the answer 1 0 0 1. That is nothing but identity matrix I.